Hi and welcome to AI Smart Wealth. On this channel, you'll discover how to use AI for learning, creativity, and income opportunities. Today's tutorial is all about Suno AI. I'll show you exactly how to create your own AI music, step by step. Step 1. Sign in. First, go to suno.com and sign in with Google or your email. Step 2. Open Create page. On the left menu, click Create. Step 3. Method 1. Simple. Click the Simple button at the top. In the box Describe your song, type a short description of the mood or story you want, and Suno will automatically create the lyrics and music for you. For example, a girl walking in the rain, wearing a red hat, feeling happy and free. Soft dreamy pop melody with gentle piano and light rhythm. The song is playful, uplifting, and perfect for a cheerful mood. Create. When everything is ready, simply click Create and wait a few seconds for your music to generate.
Splash beneath her feet, the world hums a quiet beat. Red hat in the rain, oh, she's feeling free. Skipping through the streets like a melody. The clouds can't hold her, the wind just sings. Red hat in the rain, she's got everything. Umbrellas bloom, but she walks bare, letting the rain kiss her tangled hair. A secret smile she doesn't explain. She's the rhythm of the soft refrain. Red hat in the rain, oh, she's feeling free. Skipping through.
Step 4. Method 2. Custom. Click the Custom button at the top. Here, you can paste your own lyrics directly into the lyrics section and let Suno turn them into music. Step 5. Choose style and melody. Next, pick your style. For example, pop with funk/dance, or hip-hop with R&B. Step 6. Name your song. In the song title field, type a name like Song 1. Step 7. Create. When everything is ready, simply click Create and wait a few seconds for your music to generate. Step 8. Listen and choose. Suno will generate 2 versions of your track. Play both and choose the one you like best.
Feel the beat, it's time to shine. Let the music take you high. Feel the beat, it's time to shine. Let the music take you high. Feel the beat, it's time to shine.
Step 9. Download your song. Click the 3 dots next to your chosen track, then select Download MP3. That's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial on suno.com. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials.